Hello, and thank you for purchasing AliDropship plugin. In this video, we will go over the installation process and you'll learn how to start building your dropshipping store. Once you've purchased AliDropship plugin, you need to decide which version of the plugin you will use. The original one that works with standard WordPress platform and the version for WooCommerce. We recommend using Woo version if you have a deep understanding of this platform. Otherwise, the original AliDropship plugin will be best the choice for you. Please note, AliDropship original plugin is only compatible with AliDropship built-in themes. It does not work with WooCommerce-based themes. On the opposite, AliDropship Woo version supports Woo themes but can't be used with the built-in themes. To start building your dropshipping business, first you need to determine a niche and find a domain name for your future web store. You can go to GoDaddy.com and search for your perfect domain name. Enter your desired store name and click Search. Don't worry, if this domain name is already taken, the domain registrar will always offer you something similar. Now, we recommend that you choose .com domains since these domain names are more trusted and get indexed on Google faster. Choose the domain name, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Once you've got a domain, it's time to find a reliable and high-performance hosting solution that meets certain system requirements. Your hosting provider should support PHP version 5.6 or higher and ionCube loader activated on the server. The plugin works with almost all popular hosting providers, including AliDropship hosting. The hosting solution we offer is perfectly optimized for dropshipping stores and comes with a free SSL certificate. Choosing AliDropship hosting, you also get a free plugin setup service that is very helpful for newbies. AliDropship plugin is a WordPress plugin, so besides a domain name and hosting, you need WordPress installed through your hosting cPanel. To get started, log into your cPanel using credentials sent by your hosting provider. Go to the Site Software section and click WordPress. Remove WordPress from installation URL. Fill out all the required fields and hit the Install button. Now, when you have your domain name registered, hosting to host your website and WordPress installed, it's time to set up WooCommerce and AliDropship Woo plugin. Once you are logged into your WordPress admin panel, go to the Plugins area. Add New and enter WooCommerce in the search field. Install the plugin and activate it. Now you can install AliDropship Woo plugin. Get back to the Add New section and just upload the zip file you've downloaded on your computer without unzipping it. Activate the plugin. Go ahead and activate your license key too. You can find it on the thank you page or in the email you've received after your purchase. Here we go. WooCommerce offers a variety of free and paid themes. You're free to choose any. To make your choice easier, we've created the list of recommended Woo themes. You can get one of them by clicking the View Details button. Download the theme name and get back to your WordPress backend. Go to Themes area in Appearance menu. Upload the theme file and activate the theme. Great! You're done with the installation part, and now your store is ready for the next steps.